morning, Miss Sonia.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, so today we are going to the evaluation. I will ask from the vocabulary. This is bahasa Indonesia.
Okay, Miss.
Apa itu gugur?
Gugur itu adalah sesuatu yang jatuh dari tempatnya. Nah, gugur ini misalnya pada sebuah tumbuhan di mana sebuah pohon memiliki daun yang akan gugur. Nah, gugur pada musim gugur. Nah, gugur yang diartikan di sini adalah daun yang jatuh dari pohon seperti itu, Miss.
Gugur di sini hanya tentang seperti daun yang jatuh dari pohon seperti itu.
Iya, Miss.
Miss tidak menjelaskan lagi kalau gugur itu pengertiannya tidak hanya satu, anak-anak.
Oke. Untuk gugur itu juga bisa seperti sesuatu yang kita ketahui kalah seperti itu, Miss. Misalnya dalam sebuah pertandingan. Oke, gugur.
Gugur itu kan tidak hanya tentang daun-daun yang berjatuhan. Ada lagi yang Miss jelaskan?
Oke, gugur itu juga bisa kita sebut misalnya dalam sebuah pertandingan atau lomba. Nah, jadi ada sistem gugur. Maksudnya kalau sistem gugur itu dia kalau yang berlomba kalau misalnya dia kalah dia dikatakan gugur. Dia dikatakan bukan jatuh ya gitu, tapi dia gugur artinya tandanya dia kalah seperti itu, Mas.
Gugur itu kalah.
Iya, seperti kalah gitu, Mas. Bahasa kata lain dari kalah seperti itu.
Jadi kalau dikatakan pahlawan gugur di medan perang, berarti pahlawan kalah di medan perang gitu.
Dikatakan gugur dalam medan perang bisa kalah, tapi bisa juga dia seperti meninggal seperti itu, Miss. Misalnya dia gugur sepertinya dia meninggal di medan perang, tapi kemarin saya nggak jelaskan seperti itu, Miss, karena takutnya nanti mereka susah paham seperti itu, Miss.
Kalau rak
itu adalah sebuah tempat di mana kita dapat menyimpan barang-barang atau buku-buku kita supaya terlihat lebih rapi seperti itu.
Okay. Now we move to computer. Create.
Create is to make something new, and create is when you create, you use your imagination to make something new, like you make a picture and then you make a song like that.
Join. Okay, join. What is join?
Okay. Join is when you come together with others. When you join, you can come together with others, and then you can play, and then you can work together with your friend or your family. And then, for example, you can eat together with your family like that.
Oke, IPAS, pantulan.
Pantulan itu adalah cahaya yang setelah menyentuh sebuah benda lalu dia kembali. Nah, pantulan itu seperti suatu cahaya yang ketika dia menyentuh sesuatu benda atau suatu dinding apapun, maka ia akan memantul kembali. Contohnya seperti ketika kita bercermin. Nah, cermin maka di cermin itu akan memantulkan juga, yaitu kita bisa melihat wujud kita di cermin itu seperti. Memancarkan itu adalah mengeluarkan cahaya atau suara. Nah, memancarkan itu contohnya seperti lampu yang memancarkan memancarkan cahaya gitu, seperti itu.
Misalnya apa itu?
Contohnya seperti bulan atau seperti yang kita pelajari bintang, matahari, di mana mereka memancarkan cahaya seperti itu, Miss.
Berkelap-kelip.
Berkelap-kelip itu adalah cahaya yang terang lalu redup. Nah, contohnya seperti ketika suatu benda langit yang dimana ia memiliki cahaya yang terang, namun pada suatu ketika ia akan meredup. Nah, sehingga contoh lainnya seperti lampu yang ketika dia terang, maka dia bisa redup atau mati sehingga dia seperti berkelip-kelip. Pada saat itu saya menjelaskan menggunakan handphone, Miss. Lampu handphone, lalu saya klip lem-lemnya itu, makanya dia bisa kelap-kelip. Contohnya seperti ini, berkelap-kelip seperti itu.
Health education. Catch.
Catch is to grab something with your hand. For example, is when you see the ball is coming, you can grab the ball with your hand like that, Miss.
Breathe.
Breathe is to take air in and out. When we breathe, breathing is how we take air into our bodies, so we can breathe throat in and out like that, Miss, for our bodies.
Handshake.
Handshake is to move hand up and down. When you handshake is when two people hold each other and then hold each other with hand and then shake them up and down. And handshake also friendly way to say hello with your friend.
English. Hall.
Hall is a large room or corridor. Hall is typical area in building, typical spacious area in building. So we can use hall for big event and then to party like that, Miss.
Dining room.
Dining room is space to eating meal. For example,
Eating meal.
eating meal.
Not milk.
Meals. Dining rooms like when you there's a space where people can gather to eat together in a room. So you can, for example, if you want to eat dinner with your family, you can eat in the cozy dining room.
Okay. Monster.
Monster is scary creature from stories. Monster is funny.
Funny.
Funny. Sorry. A monster is fun. A monster is imaginary creature that can be scary or silly. So we can find in stories, in film, like that. We can find.
Description game.
Description game is a fun activity to describing item.
To describe item.
So when the player take turn an object without naming it, and then you can guess what it is, like that, means.
Tense.
Yes, miss.
Tense.
Tense is a portable shelter, from fabric. So we can use tents for camping, or even outdoors. So the tents will providing protect us from winter, from rain, like that.
Will provide. Cellar?
Cellar. Cellar is an underground storage space. So an underground is a typical building to storage our food or our items, like that. Yes.
Scary.
Scary is um, causing fear and fright. So scary is when something look like something scary, that can we feel afraid, like that means. So for example, a haunted house. So look, the haunted house look like scary. So many visitors will scream in there.
Okay. Science appliances.
Appliances is machine can help us to work at home. Some appliances is the machine.
Appliances are
Appliances. Okay, the appliances are a machine or tools that can help us to work at home. For example, appliances are including like television, and then uh, refrigerator, and then air conditioner, like rice cooker.
Socket.
Socket is place to plug a device. So socket is a small part in the wall, so we can plug something like in there, like lamp or charger, like in the wall, a small hole in the wall.
Oh. Cells.
Cells is
R. Because this is cells with S, right? So R.
cells. Okay, cells are um, a small device to storage energy. Um, the cells are a small device to storage the energy. A tiny things device that can storage energy, for example, like a battery. So we can use the cells for toys, and then for clock.
Cell is not only found in a battery or in a thing. We have cell also, right? Human has cell, right?
But in this lesson means cells, it means like battery. But in the book, not battery, but cells, about electricity, listrik. Like that means not cell tentang tubuh. So I don't explain about it.
You didn't explain about that.
No.
PPKN, toleransi.
Toleransi itu adalah sikap menghargai perbedaan dengan orang lain. Nah, jadi kita itu memiliki perbedaan dengan orang lain seperti perbedaan agama, suku, perbedaan budaya, maka kita harus menunjukkan sikap toleransi. Seperti apa? Dengan kita menghargai. Kita menghargai ketika orang lain beribadah, itu adalah sikap toleransi, dan tidak saling mengejek, seperti itu. Cerdik itu adalah ketika kita berpikir dengan cepat dan pintar. Ketika kita berpikir dengan cepat, dengan pintar, atau misalnya ketika seseorang menyelesaikan suatu masalah dengan cepat, tepat dan cepat dan tepat seperti itu. Nah itu maka dia disebut dengan dia wah anak ini cerdik ya seperti itu karena dia bisa menyelesaikan masalahnya dengan cepat, dengan tepat, gitu, dengan pintar. Seperti itu.
Where can we get germs? Where can we get germs?
Where can we
Get germs.
the air we breathe?
What is the meaning of? Okay, what is the meaning of germ?
What's the meaning of germ? Germ is a tiny microorganism that can make us sick.
We can catch the germs from the air we breathe. Is it true?
True.
Why?
Because when we breathe in the air, so many germs. So when we breathe germs, so when we breathe the air out and in our mouth, so the germs will enter with our mouth, with our nose, like that.
Through our nose.
To our nose.
Through our nose.
To our nose.
Okay. Bahasa Indonesia. Apa yang dimaksud dengan bersih?
Bersih itu adalah bebas dari kuman.
Apa salah satu contoh yang dapat kita lakukan di rumah agar kita bebas dari kuman begitu?
Salah satu contoh agar kita terbebas dari kuman di rumah ya.
Iya, atau
ya.
Agar kita tetap bersih gitu.
Oke. Nah, contoh kita bisa langkah pertama kita membersihkan rumah, lalu kita tinggal di kamar kita, maka kita harus merapikan kamar kita. Nah, lain itu sebagai apa? Misalnya juga seperti kita mau makan di rumah ya, kita cuci tangan seperti itu. Lalu setelah kita makan, kita bersihkan meja makan kita. Nah, supaya hal-hal itu menjaga kita supaya tetap bersih gitu.
Okay, computer. Who create the first computer mouse?
Douglas Engelbart.
What does he do for 2 years in Philippines?
Radar technician.
As a radar technician.
Yes, as a radar technician.
When and where was he born?
On 30 January in 1925. On 30 January 1925 on Portland, US.
In
Portland, US.
Move to English. How will you describe about tree house?
Tree house. Tree house is when the house. Tree house when any house up in the tree, so the house will made from the wood.
How will you differentiate between R and is?
Okay, R and is for so I will describe when you have only one things. It means like you have one thing like book, pencil. So you can say there is a book, there is a pencil. So about R, if you have, uh, if you have one more things, for example, you have three books and then you have five candies, so you can say there are five candies.
So use is used for only one thing.
Only one thing is, so you can use there is only one thing, but
So are is used. There are is used.
one more thing.
More than one.
More than one thing. Okay, lebih dari satu. More than one thing.
One thing.
One
One thing. Two things. Three things.
Okay.
But if only one thing.
I'm so sorry. Yes,
Something,
one thing.
not some things, yeah.
Yes. One thing.
Or a thing.
Okay.
Science. What can electrical do?
What?
What can electrical do?
To produce sound.
Only to produce?
No. To produce sound like and move the object.
What is used to control the toy car?
What?
What is used to control the toy car?
Remote control.
A place to plug a device is called as a?
Yes, miss?
A place to plug a device is called as a?
Socket.
Socket. Okay, we move to IPAS. Matahari bentuknya terlihat seperti apa, Miss?
Seperti bola api, miss.
Apa itu bintang?
Bintang itu adalah benda langit yang berkelap-kelip di langit pada malam hari.
Oke. Pada saat pagi dan sore hari bayang-bayang terlihat seperti apa? Pada saat pagi dan sore hari, bayang-bayang kita ini terlihat seperti apa?
Terlihat memanjang.
Sinar bulan berasal dari?
Matahari. Pantulan sinar matahari.
Bagaimana dengan bintang?
Bintang sama, miss, juga
dari pantulan sinar matahari juga. Jadi
bintang itu memancarkan dirinya sendiri, miss.
Bumi tempat kita tinggal berputar
pada porosnya.
Alright, I think that's all for the evaluation for today, Miss.
Yes.
I just want to give an input here that everything that you take from the application,
Yes.
you need to make sure it first, so that we never got complaint from the parents. Don't because of silly mistake we get complaint, right?
Yes.
Like previous vocabulary, germ, like that, tiny bug. Actually, that's not tiny bug. Even though you want to make sure that they can understand it clearly, but bug is really different with microorganism. You need to know this. We can show the picture to them, or we can show the video. Oh, this is germ, student. This is germ. Yeah, germ is microorganism or bacteria, not tiny bug. Because we know that maybe some parents is create this, right, to check their students' homework as well. So before we submit the LP or the homework, we must make sure first. We must check it again. Yeah. Okay. I think that's all on the miss. So in this evaluation, we pass.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Miss.